Hey Petty Fam, we're back with another video. We're doing this brought back memories. Queen and Clarence, let's get into it.
Boy, Clarence NYC, I'm in my city, you know what I mean? Got my girl with me, you know what I'm saying? Got my shorty with me, we outside. We're heading to the Bronx right now, about to go.
The Bronx, the boogie down Bronx. All right, let's see New York with Clare Bear.
Pick up my brother and get our day started, you know what I'm saying? You want to tell them what we doing?
Yeah, so we're actually heading to...
First of all, y'all look real cute with this blue and pink thing. I am loving it. Y'all let me know. That is too cute to me. Too cute.
Jersey after this, and we're going to go to this new go-kart place. We're gonna actually pick up my makeup artist slash friend, because that's my girl.
Slash friend. You could just say friend.
Okay, all right. We're gonna pick up my friend.
Claire. He right though. But, you know, she's just trying to give her props that she got, you know, she do something professional, you know, with her time, and that's how she met her son.
She's coming with us, and then Pete. Is Pete coming with us too?
Yeah, Pete. Y'all probably gonna see Adam today. Couple of niggas from my hood gonna be there, you know what I'm saying?
Pete gotta get a hoodie, man, so like...
And I forgot my sweats.
Oh, yeah, you gotta get sweats too.
Before we left, I put some sweats in the wash, and I forgot to take them out. So they still there, so I have half an outfit, so I gotta probably, if Pete still gotta go get a hoodie, I'm probably gonna get some sweats.
So we're going to the American Dream Mall, is that what's called?
Yeah, it's like one of the biggest malls.
I don't know what it's called, but like
American Dream Mall.
I've been there before during tour, and Clarence, you was there too with Mike, and we got on some roller coasters.
It's not just a mall. I know y'all just thinking like, oh, it's a mall. Nah, it's not just a mall. You could go snowboarding, you could go ice skating, roller coasters in the mall. Like it's a really big, huge mall. So
that was...
I need to go to New York, y'all. Y'all coming? Just let me know.
Oh, for me, I'm like a big kid, so when I seen all the Nickelodeon stuff, like I got really excited. So we doing that, and then the iPick or whatever.
yeah.
Still trying to decide on what movie to see though.
Maybe we end the night with iPick.
Yeah, I feel like that'd be better than ending it with the...
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah, you go kart after the mall since everybody's...
Oh, look, you can see the stars now. But yeah, as always, every time I'm in New York, I just feel really, I don't know, liberated, just free and happy. Like, I love this place.
Yeah, we gotta get a place.
Probably more than Clarence, because he from here. It hit different when you're not from here. I've always loved New York. Everybody know that.
I think we should get a place for sure.
I've always wanted to get a place. I know we just bought a house,
but we should get a place.
A little apartment, come out here. Probably gonna be mad expensive. But...
Apartment for sure.
Or Jersey.
Not Jersey. I'll go to Jersey.
Jersey be nice.
City too expensive.
But that's what our day is looking like. It's gonna be a vlog, so
make sure y'all stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all not. If you guys are new here, thank you for coming, and
thank y'all for coming.
The notification button so that y'all can see when we upload, and like it up, comment, tell us what you think, what more you like to see, and yeah, that's that.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Y'all would never guess what we're in front of right now. This is a car that Clarence was in when I first met him. The Infinity. Look at that. How you feel looking at it?
I haven't seen it in a minute.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good.
This shit bring back memories. It's crazy.
Is the rip still on the seat?
Yeah.
The rip.
Getting bigger. You remember that, right?
Yeah, it's cute though. It's still cute. We're at Clarence's cousins and grandma's house right now. Oh, that dog is huge. Oh, that dog huge. We probably about to get a chopped cheese, y'all. Y'all know when we come here, we gotta get chopped cheese. I'm surprised that it's not super cold. I thought it was gonna be super cold, like out today, but it feel good actually.
I remember the door used to be like, you go on the side, knock on the...
Look at that, babe.
It's crazy.
Clarence is out there in his old neck of the woods. He on a ski mask, trying to lay low. Look who's here. This is Brooke. If y'all haven't met her, she actually be beating my face. We picked her up. Ooh, that music is a bad. We'll talk later.
Look at Pete, I'm gonna move again.
Thank you, Queen.
So we are at American Dream Mall, and we eating Popeyes, y'all.
I ain't know what that
Look at Clarence. Oh, look at Clarence.
Yeah. Not the same.
Oh, that look good. Not the same Clarence.
I can't believe I'm this smack right now.
Came all to New York just to get Popeyes.
One more. Thank you so much.
When I'm out this vlog, I'm gonna... That's so sweet. She takes time out of her day to take pictures everywhere she go.
Thank you. We just came from the mall. He was looking for a hoodie for like 3 hours. And we just got here
I fell asleep in the window.
to Speedway. No. Supercharged. everybody in the lineup getting ready to go. This type scary. Yeah, I'm ready. Y'all ready?
That look like so much fun, y'all.
This is a little loose on my head. I'm not gonna lie, my head a little small.
Go Queen, catching up to them. That is a huge arena, like the lanes, like the track. Oh my gosh. Like 3 levels.
Did you feel me bump you? So even though we were supposed to go to iPick after the go-kart place, by the time we got out, it was no more movie showing and it was just too late. So we was hungry anyway and we decided to get something to eat.
I want to see if she got my mac and cheese though.
That was for the birthday. It's your birthday. Hey Pete, it's your birthday.
Oh, this is the Queen's infamous move. Go.
I remember when she used to do that all the time.
It's just not giving. Yo, Clarence, sit on that.
Don't ever tell God to sit on that.
Oh, I'm sorry. Pause. Your voice is attacking that. This is crazy.
She said your Omar is Himsky. So what niggas she get it from? Who you around?
Nah.
Yo, see, vibe is vibing. Joe Lada niggas, is it right?
The vibe is vibing.
Cause I'll pull up. Niggas had a different spot for me, but I pull up. Don't worry. You want me to pull up? I'll pull up. We all pull up. We'll all pull up.
Y'all, Clarence got an afro, y'all. The next day, it's our last day here, and he's about to get his hair cut.
NBA Street Volume 2 character. Volume 2.
Do you remember that Norbit? You ever seen Norbit, the movie?
It is kind of happen. I love you, Claire. I really do. But, you know, she said it. I got to agree. But she had to pull up the Norbit picture.
Oh, yeah, it's lit.
Try to show y'all the after. Almost done.
It brought me back to life.
Y'all, so look
That man is talented, I tell you.
what we ended up being able to get. We got some chopped cheeses.
Back at the crib.
We back at the crib, y'all.
I try that too, y'all.
It all started.
It's not the same. I remember I used to be in this kitchen and it was totally different. It looks so beautiful now. Floors are different. Nice and glossy and blue. I want to go see the basement so I can get some nostalgic memories. I'm going to eat this first.
Oh, no.
What? It's not good? Oh, it's zero
Zero sugar.
You look familiar.
What's up, y'all? So before we gotta.
They back in the basement. Back in the basement. Okay. Y'all done come a long way. Claps to that. Congratulations and all.
Flight to catch. We had to come back here. You know what I'm saying, in the infamous basement. You know what I'm saying? This is where everything all started. Actually, it's the same.
Same little couch.
We was right here, sitting down, doing videos and stuff. Yeah, I remember all this. I had like a little do-rag collection here. I don't know what my mom got here now. It's just clothes. My mom is getting ready for like, I don't know. I think she knows something we don't. But
You gotta stock up on that Lysol, bruh.
You ready for the end?
But this is it, y'all.
This is it, y'all. I remember it was here. I just want to see. Here, sit down real quick.
This be right here.
Right here,
It's been mad long, man.
doing the challenges, and now we just old. Now we in our own crib and stuff.
We whole adults now.
We're legend. Y'all got a kid and everything.
We have a flight.
Got a new house.
Yeah, so
We just want to come show
we
you
had to
guys.
come see you. We had to come down here real quick and get some footage for y'all. It's only right. Remember that light?
Mm-hmm. This where he officially made me his girlfriend on the couch.
On the couch. How romantic is that?
Am I your crush at all? Like some kind of crush? Oh. Am I your crush at all?
You my shorty.
What? No.
You my shorty. You heard that. Oh. She got her Clarence NYC shirt on. That was too cute. I'm glad they flashed back to that.
For real? He sounds his shorty. What does that mean, Claire? Because New York people talk different. He just sounds his shorty. For real? For real? Oh my God, please. I'm getting hot.
Why you
No, I'm
getting
really getting
hot?
hot in my heart. It's real romantic.
It's funny.
But you guys, yeah. We had a nice time here.
We had fun.
Yeah, we had fun.
For sure. I know we always say it, but we gotta do it a little more often because we both really enjoy New York and the vibes. But I guess it's just life, you know, life be life and just get caught up in work and other things, you know.
Yeah.
But,
Oh, and you got a do-rag. Hold on.
yeah, I do gotta do right on.
I ain't
I love he got the do-rag on in the basement. He don't wear those no more. Yes.
seen a do-rag in forever.
Let's go. We gotta catch a flight.
We gotta catch a flight, y'all. We'll see. Wait. We can see them at the airport.
Our flight was delayed a whole hour. So
I hate that when you rush to the airport. Look, it was dark outside. I know it's light because they're inside, but it's probably like, you know, the sun probably came up now. They was freshen.
flight was at 9 before. Now it's at 11, which sucks. But we stopped and got some cologne. This that Le Labo. Queen loves it. How it smells on me, so she's getting one too. And I got another one. I got this one. I usually wear this one, but I went and got this one too, so we lit. That's the Santel?
I'm gonna just get it. All right, y'all. So they changed our gate again, and while walking.
No, and that's another thing. I can't stand when you got a big airport like LaGuardia or wherever they at, and they change your gate. Like it ain't just across the way. That is a long way sometimes. You gotta rush there before they leave.
Down. We about to go get pizza. We're sitting here. We're gonna wait for our stuff. But guess what we got, y'all? And guess what? You know, one thing I love about us. Well, not even about us. Just one thing I love is we get favor a lot. Starbucks was closed, and we got free Starbucks, y'all. Free Starbucks.
Shout out to Lily.
Shout out to
They love y'all. Free Starbucks. Wow.
Lily. Just because, you know, people love us, and we love y'all too. We love y'all so much, and y'all be so nice to us. And when we
That's so sweet. Because when you sweet to people and you good, you know, and people love you and they help you out.
oh, that's why I never say no to a picture. That's why I never, like, you know, get an attitude or whatever, because I just know that people genuinely, you know, love us, and we love y'all too. But we gonna sit here, chill, talk. I really like the I like the airport at night. It's a different vibe. It's just real chill, cool. You can walk slow. You ain't gotta rush.
Imagine our flight was delayed in like
In traffic and people's traffic.
I'd have been so mad if this was packed and everything.
Bro, I have to say something. Like, Clarence is so fine.
I knew he was about to say
I knew she was gonna say it too, Claire. See, you know what they doing though? You know what? I'm gonna tell y'all what happened, okay? I'm gonna tell y'all. This is between us, okay? So what had happened was, hold on. Here, here's sticking out. Anyway, what had happened was she had went down to the basement, and y'all remember from the basement videos that Claire had the mood lights, right? And so he used to have a red, he used to have a blue. I think he had like it was a yellow or something. I don't remember, y'all. Y'all remind me what the other colors was. It was like 3 or 4 colors. But anyway, I know red and blue was there. And so he would have like the mood light. And so what they just did there, y'all saw that? The color changed. And so that was, it cast the light on him. And that just really made her go, want a nap.
He was so handsome.
Appreciate that.
I'm sure that when he walked by, like people, you know, girls be looking. I know they be looking. Girls
That's what
and
that girl was doing when you went in the bathroom.
what was staring at you? Yeah, I know. I know they be looking at you. I would
That
too.
look like Queen,
What'd she say?
Queen baby daddy.
Yeah, that's my baby daddy right there.
Should I go get a pizza?
Huh?
Should I go get a pizza?
If you want to, baby. I mean, I don't see how you could do it.
I'm gonna be hungry.
Oh, okay. Well,
All we had today was Joe and juice and a chopped cheese.
You get you a pizza, Claire, as a pizza lover, and you in your home state, and nobody gonna do it like they do. You go ahead, bruh. Go ahead, little petty femme guy. You go ahead, petty femme, and get your pizza. So you can fold it and you just eat it and enjoy it while you at home.
no, Joe Juice, chopped cheese. Oh, dang.
That's something.
Oh, dang, that is over here.
And our flight's not till an hour. Like, I'm in the sun.
Okay.
So you don't want nothing.
I just feel like I shouldn't get another slice. I shouldn't get a slice of. Do it look dumb good?
No, I haven't. I see it. But I know they about to close.
All right, go. Just give me a little cheese slice. See how this looks. Pizza, oven, fresh, hot, delicious. Oh, those are slices.
They're type big, right?
Gosh darn, look at all the oil dripping down, running down the surface.
Yeah, that's New York. That's New York pizza. It's not really oily.
It's not really pizza if it's not oily in New York.
It's not really New York pizza if it's not oily.
Well, guys, we are finally boarding after how many hours? After about 2 hours, finally boarding, get on a plane. Oh, 3.
We got here at 8:30.
Yeah.
It's like 11:30.
But they upgraded our seats. So now we get back in first class, and I guess that's not too bad, right?
Bye, New York. If my petty fan from New York, let me know.
Yo, me.
Or Jersey. Or Maryland, DC, wherever. Virginia. I like that. That's nice and smooth. Yeah. Hey, Atlanta petty fam. Let us know also. Our Georgia peaches.